Did the Gen Z protest ruin BJP's chances in 2029? अगर आप Instagram स्ट्रोल करोगे तो आपको भी यही लगेगा. And the conclusion is obvious. Young Indians are angry. They are protesting and they are mocking the government. Hence, they must also be abandoning the government. But is being angry with the government same as voting against it? India's Gen Z consists of 40 crore people and लोकनीति ने 2024 में यूथ एंड पॉलिटिक्स सर्वे किया था जिसमें उन्होंने 18 से 22 साल के स्टूडेंट्स का सर्वे किया. And its finding might give you the answer of how political space actually works. 65% of respondents with a voting preference said कि अगर elections immediately होते हैं तो वो बीजेपी को वोट करेंगे. Congress attracted under 8% while AAP stood at around 7%. 69.8% chose BJP as a preferred party for governing the country. 44% chose the BJP as the party that focuses most on youth issues. 45% chose the BJP as the party most capable of generating employment. For quality education, BJP and AAP came at par. In fact, nearly 80% of students in the survey viewed PM Modi in a positive light. These are hardly the findings of a generation in political revolt. Through Lokniti CSDS data and the Hindu's post-poll analysis, it was found that youth have supported the BJP in the last decade. 2014 में बीजेपी को 34% यूथ वोट्स मिले थे जो उनके नेशनल एवरेज से 3% ज़्यादा था. 2019 में ये नंबर 41% हो गया जो नेशनल एवरेज से 4% ज़्यादा था. Although in 2024 it was 39%, but it was still higher than its support among the older cohort. The easy error here is mistaking urban digital India for electoral India. Instagram metro cities की आवाज़ को amplify करता है, पर elections tier 3 towns में जीते जाते हैं, जहाँ पे governance का मतलब सड़क, पानी, कपड़ा, रोटी और मकान होता है. Gen Zs are not emotional, they are transactional. उन्हें result चाहिए और जब मिल जाता है, वो protest से आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. While youth unemployment remains a long-term political risk, the evidence does not support a total tune-out. In high-stake game of 2029, remember the oldest lesson in Indian politics. Elections are decided in the polling booths, not in the comment section.